Okay, so in the last video, we discussed this data storage, that we have the data capabilities, but what we have identified, one of the biggest challenge, which is not with the storage, which is actually these processes which have been used to collect the data from different kind of sources, right? And whatever data is coming, we need to make sure that its quality is good, it is fully qualified, accurate, complete, so we can use it to do any kind of analytics, whether it's going to be machine learning modeling, or it's going to be dashboarding, or it's going to be trend analysis, or even it's going to be simple business intelligence dashboard that most of the organization use for their decision making, right? And now that's where the challenge is, because unfortunately the data always come with the errors. So let me see if I can draw the errors. Yeah. So some errors in here, some errors in here, some errors in here. And there are many reasons why these errors are appearing. We have already discussed in the previous video from I think from another aspect. So I'm not gonna go towards that side again. But the bottom line is, with all these errors that generate the question mark on the accuracy of our data marts, feature sets, and data warehouses, and even now data lake as well. Because these are the ones which we normally use to source our machine learning model, which is simple. We never use the data directly from the data storage, because in real scenario, especially if you are working in the real world, you have seen that most of the time the data need to be staged, so we can transform, or we can change, or we can merge, or we can prepare the data before we use it, right? So all these steps, they normally happen after the data storage, so we can transform them and we can prepare in a really nice shape, so it can land into our data mart, feature set, and data warehouses. All this time, if you are not familiar, don't worry about it. Every video is gonna explain the concept separately. So come back to the main concept. So these data lake feature sets, they are feeding the data to the machine learning model. Machine learning model, if you look at this one, it is nothing but more like a mathematical representation. It is smart because it generates the decision using the mathematics, which is running behind this model, right? But on the other side, this model has a limitation that it is depending upon the data that has been fed into it. Because if the incorrect data is coming into our machine learning model, the outcome is not going to be correct, which is a straightaway concept. Like, it doesn't require any further evidence. If you are feeding a wrong data, you're gonna get the wrong answer. It's that simple, right? So that means, and that's where in the previous video I mentioned, the accuracy of our machine learning analytical system depends upon the quality of the data which we are collecting. Now, there is another challenge which I'm going to actually discuss in the next slide. So see you in the next video. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.